I bought this shade behind me for our glass sliding door, and I knew it wouldn't be wide enough. I would have to buy two, but I wanted to buy one to see if I really like it. It's nice. I wanted it a different color. I wanted it actually darker, and I was a bit disappointed that you could see right through it. Now I have a curtain behind it, so you cannot see through it. So otherwise it's a pretty well made shade. I'll show you. So I put this cloth behind it, and these are all little threads to hold it together, and it's burned in. Let me show you. There are like two little sticks in between, and then the bamboo. They burn the wood slightly. You see it? You can actually see it better now. It looks nice. All we did is just put a nail up, 2 nails for each side, of course. Seems pretty sturdy and okay. Yeah, all you do is pull it up. I hope you enjoyed my product review. Bye!